Hey guys, today I have a 20 cubic foot Frigidaire freezer and I'm going to show it off here, show you that everything on it's working perfect. We've got our little power light down there and it's plugged in, it's at temperature. Just kind of show you, it's got some stickers on the side. I don't particularly like to spend my afternoon peeling stickers off. It also has this little indentation here. This is what happens when somebody puts it like on a trailer to haul it and puts a strap on and tightens it too tight. These shells, they're just not made like they used to be. And if you go too tight, it'll buckle it. Doesn't affect the usage at all. When you go to move it, just put your strap back in the exact same place. Otherwise, good to go, but full transparency here. Let's see, we'll go ahead and open it up. I've got a thermometer inside. I'll show you how cold it is. Should be sitting right at or below 0. And we also have a key for this too. So key pops in here like so. Now it's locked, can't be opened. Okay, you unlock, you push turn. Okay, so it's got the key. Go ahead and open it up. You can see right there. Let's take a picture of that for the ad. Nice and cold. I've got it running full blast. I had it running for a while, about a week or so. Unplugged it, thoroughly deep clean. You can see it's nice and shiny clean on the inside. All the shelves and everything are all intact. And these, you can take some of these out if you want. Otherwise, they're locked in place with these little guys here. Here's the tag. I'm gonna pause and read anything you want to read on that. And then you've got this little dude here is removable. If for some reason you wanted to take a couple of these out and stack some cases, you can do that. Thermostat's right there. It wasn't quite on full blast, but now it is. I always just kind of run everything full blast. Nice bright light. And this thing's pretty tall too. It is right about maybe just a little bit taller than 6 foot tall. So it's kind of a big boy. And I mean, everything's good to go on it. Not a whole lot else to show off other than it's sitting here working. And we'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.